Hi, welcome to my crochet vlog. So if you watched my previous video, you already know I went to market to get yarns I'll be using to make my friend's sister's top, and today we are finally starting the project. So these are the yarns. Pink yarn is acrylic yarn, my hooks, a measuring tape, and my scissors. So let's get started. I'll be starting with the front panel because it's like a shrug, but it's a bit longer, and she wants the hands to be big, the sleeves to be big. So I don't know, let's just get started. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 80. So I'm done with the chain. Let's start my first. Okay, let me measure first before I start my first row. Okay, so I'm going to make one double crochet into all the stitches till I get here. I hit first round. I hit it after row. So this is what I have here. This is how it looks. I don't know the name of this stitch. Please, if you know the name, kindly let me know, because I know how to do it but I don't know the name. So I'll keep you guys updated. The time now is 26 minutes to 6, and this is what I've been able to make. I started by 4 o'clock. I'll be going for a break now. Maybe I will complete the front panel off camera. I'll see you in day 2. Hello guys, it's day 2 and I'm done with the front panel. Looking so cute. I completed it off camera, and I also started the back panel. It's many few rows to go. I'll see you guys when I'm done with the back panel. Okay guys, I'm done with the back panel. See how it looks. This is the back and this is the front. So I'm going to join the two together. Okay, let me show you guys how it's going to look. I don't know if I can see that. I need to raise this tripod stand a little. So this is how the front panel will look. Just like this. Then the back will look like this. Right? Can you see it? So let me do the joining. After the joining, I'll start the sleeves. Wow, I can't find my stainless yarn needle. What am I going to use? I'm trying this now. I'll use this one. I'm done joining the shoulder. Okay, so now I'm going to join the two sides, this side and this side, but I will make sure and leave a space for the armhole. Okay, I'm done joining and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to start working on the sleeves. I think the neck is too wide. Maybe I will do one row of half double crochet or two after working on the sleeves. So I'll see you after working on the sleeves. Okay guys, I'm finally done and this is how it looks. Isn't that cute? All I have to do now is weave in the ends and remove the stitch markers. So for the neck, I think I love it this way because you can actually style it two ways, like this or the normal way, like this. But I don't know, the choice is hers. I need to send her the picture to know if she likes it this way or I should add one or two rows of half double crochet to make the neck come together, like to be more smaller. What do you think? Thank you very much for watching. This is my first ever crochet vlog. I don't know how it looks, I don't know, I was just recording. If it's nice, please tell me. If it's not, also tell me. I will improve in my next vlog. After 3 rows of half double crochet around the neck, this is how it looks. Okay, look at the back. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Mwah.